Each year, hundreds of thousands of soldiers transition from military to civilian life. But that's not always easy. The skills that you learn in the service may not translate to the ones you need in the work world. Well, as part of our Generation Next initiative, we found a program here at Fort Stewart in Georgia that is turning troops into workers who will be on the front lines of the building trades. John Corson is the president of the Home Builders Institute. John, nice to meet you.
Kevin, nice to meet you.
I'm glad we caught you on a morning when a class is in session. I'm fascinated by the organization. Give me a little sense of its history and your guys' mission.
Sure. HBI, we're a 50-year-old nonprofit that, in a short word, we train underserved and at-risk populations in the building trades.
Right.
One of our newest initiatives over the last 2 or 3 years is training separating military personnel. We get them certified and we place them in jobs in the industry.
These guys are just ready to learn. It's like a sponge. They just want to soak it in. So you couldn't ask for a better student population. Yeah. They want to know more and more and more.
Building and learning how things work has always been like a passion of mine, something I've really been interested in, and I decided, well, I'm getting out, might as well take this time to pursue this opportunity.
Even for those that never had a background in construction, they come through this program and they see what's out there. We take them to different job sites, let them see the commercial aspect, the residential aspect, take them to different unions, different employers come in and try to hire and such forth.
What we do here is we drop rank at the door. They all wear the same t-shirt, and we drop rank, but we don't lose respect. And so they can start that transition process and go through the 12 weeks in here that they don't have to say yes, sir, or do anything by order.
Carpentry training right here.
Carpentry is sort of the foundation for all of our training. So this is the youngest group we have in here, and to teach them the basic of the carpentry trade.
Since I've been in class, we've covered plumbing, we've covered electrical, we covered HVAC, facility maintenance. So pretty much we've touched everything you could think of involved in construction. I'm still convinced that I'm going to be a carpenter, but I still have those skills in my back pocket if I need them.
So what's your success rate? I mean, how many of these people are going to be placed and working when they get out of this program?
Our placement rate right now is over 90% in this area.
Leaving from a very structured environment to you make your life what you want it was a little intimidating at first.
Yeah. Does this program help with that transition?
Yes, the Soldier for Life program definitely helped me with that transition. Gave me more confidence, and it helped me translate the skills that I had in the Army into, civilian equivalents.
We have people working in electrical, building maintenance, hotel maintenance. We have carpenters. We have people working as electricians. Some are apprentices.
So what is it like to have served, to have been a student, and now to be an instructor?
It feels great, honestly, it does. For me, because I was an NCO leaving the Army, I still look at it upon taking care of my brothers and sisters that are leaving the military. So that's why I'm still here, pretty much.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.